Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Maps API key errors in Android apps step by step clearly. To restore Google Maps API key errors in Android apps, start by opening your Android project in Android Studio. Locate and verify your API key in the Google Cloud Console. Log in to your Google Cloud account. Select the project linked to your Android app. Navigate to the Credentials section in the left sidebar. Here, you will find your existing API keys. Copy your API key for later use. Next, check if you've enabled the Maps SDK for Android. Go to the Library section in the Google Cloud Console. Search for Maps SDK for Android and ensure it's enabled. Now, move on to your Android project in Android Studio. Open your app-level build.gradle file. Ensure you have the necessary dependencies for Google Maps included. Then, open your manifest file located in the src/main directory. Add the following permission if it's not already present. Uses permission Android name equals android.permission.internet/next. You will need insert the metadata tag under the application tag like this. Metadata Android name equals. Save your changes in the manifest file. Clean and rebuild your project to ensure all updates are applied. Next, check your device or emulator settings. Ensure location services are enabled on your device. Run your app again to see if the API key error is resolved. If the issue persists, revisit the Google Cloud Console. Review the API key restrictions. Ensure that your key is configured correctly for the Android app package name and SHA-1 certificate fingerprint. If necessary, create a new API key with the correct restrictions. Replace the old API key in your manifest with the new one. Once again, save the changes and rebuild your project. Finally, run your app again to confirm that the Google Maps API is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.